How can I take my selfies like that? It's super nice. Ooh, no, that's not for me. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to be testing new Essence makeup products from the collection Pac Man. I am also going to use some other Essence makeup products, and during this video I'm going to give you some facts about the game. Let me know in the comments if you have ever played Pac Man, if you like it. I wasn't very good at it. I was always losing to the ghosts. In the Pac Man collection we have this eye mask with this beautiful pink ghost that was always eating my Pac Man, and I think the name of this ghost is Pinky. All the ghosts have a name. It says the pre-soaked eye mask gives to your skin an instant, energized and revitalized feeling. Extra tip, use the time to make a funny selfie. Okay, we're going to do that. Okay, it doesn't open anymore. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, they are so cute. Oh, they are stuck together. They don't have a protective layer. Oops. Here is Pac Man. So pretty. Okay, let's apply Pac Man. Oop, oop, oop. I'm not going to see very well for the video. Ooh, I don't see anything. How can I take my selfies like that? It's very soft. And it has a very light sweet chemical scent. Time's up, and it says that you can massage the extra product that is left on the skin, and after that I'm going to use also my skincare. I'm going to use a little bit of my eye cream. The serum feels moisturizing, it's not sticky. These are not reusable. If you like the design, you can try them. They are super cute. I'm going to continue with my primer. I didn't have any issues with blending my concealer on top of the serum of the eye mask, and I'm going to set everything with the fixing powder by Deco Cosmetics. For the eyeshadow palette we have a plastic packaging and the design is like the game. We have a little Pac Man here that it can move on the surface. So we have the dots that the Pac Man eats, also the 4 ghosts that they want to eat Pac Man. This is the palette. We have very natural shades in this one. I was a little bit disappointed because I wanted to have shades in here like the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, that we actually have the colors of the ghosts, and in this one this is very natural. We get so many neutral eyeshadow palettes by Essence and I was expecting something more colorful. Let's see if we have good quality eyeshadows. Maybe this palette is great for everyday looks, and you also have this fun packaging. I'm starting with this warm brown matte eyeshadow. I'm going to use this as my crease color, and with an eye blender brush by Essence I'm diffusing this in the crease. This blends very nicely. I want to see how this yellow matte eyeshadow looks in my crease as well, and with the same brush I'm buffing that on the edges of the previous color. This eyeshadow blends easily and it has a very nice pigmentation. It looks nice as a crease color. After that I'm taking this light pink satin eyeshadow. I want to see if it is a little bit more shimmery on the eyes. I'm pushing this on the inner eyelid. Yeah, it's not visible. It's very powdery and it's not sticking on my eyelid. It's not even noticeable on my eyes. Let's see if I can press it and make it more noticeable. This is not looking nice. I'm taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Nope. Very disappointing eyeshadow. I don't see the color, I don't see the sheen, and you can also see from the swatches that this eyeshadow is not pigmented. Now I'm picking up this light beige eyeshadow. I think it has a satin finish as well. It highlights my brow bone, but it's not very shiny. I want to use it also on the eyelid to see. Okay, this one is a little bit more visible on my eye. It's not shimmery. Yeah, I'm not impressed with this eyeshadow as well. This eyeshadow is more noticeable on me. However, it's not shiny at all. If you don't care about that, you can just use it as a matte eyeshadow. After that, I want to take this rusty bronzy red eyeshadow with a shiny finish. Yeah, this one is prettier. I have some fallouts from this eyeshadow. I'm blending just a little bit the edges with a blending brush by Zoeva, the 225 brush. Okay, so this eyeshadow is looking a lot better. Let's continue with this eyeshadow here. It is a dark brown, chocolatey, bronzy, shimmery eyeshadow. It is so pretty. I love the shades for an easy everyday smoky eye look. I'm going to smudge this on the lower lash line. In the inner lower lash line, I have used this golden bronzy eyeshadow with a shimmery finish. So it's not so different from the other shade. You can also see that on my eyes. They are almost the same eyeshadow. I think this should be 2 or 3 shades lighter so we could do some more eye looks. I like the yellow eyeshadow in the crease a lot, and I want to take a little bit more and also smudge it on the lower lash line. Yeah, super pretty. I don't remember having this mustardy shade in another Essence palette. I really like this mustardy shade, and I also want to use this dark matte brown eyeshadow to outline my lashes. I also want to use some in the outer crease. I'm a little bit disappointed with this palette, but you can definitely do some eye looks. In this collection we also have some highlighters, also a blush and a brush. Oh, I forgot to apply mascara. Just a sec. For mascara I'm going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And I'm going to start with the face brush. I want to use this one to contour my face. It has this very cute sticker on the packaging. It's so pretty. Okay. And this brush is called High Score. We have a black handle, and this part here is matte. This one is shiny, and we have synthetic bristles. It is very soft, and I want to use it with this matte bronzing powder by Essence. This is from the collection Sun, Sand and Golden Rainbows. So this one is a little bit bigger for a more precise contouring application. You can use it more to bronze your skin instead of contouring. And this one is in the shade Summer Loving. I think it is a little bit heavier to hold it. It's not like the previous brushes that we got in the Berry On collection. It is a heavy brush. I think it is the handle. This blends nicely my product. We also have this very cute blush palette. We have the 3 Ghosts and also Pac Man here. And the packaging is cardboard. The palette has a plastic scent. I think it's the packaging, not the products. It is a very lightweight palette, and I think it is very cute. What do you think? Ooh, this is a very bright pink color. Do I have names? No, we don't have names for the shades. The first one here is the hot pink. Next we have this light peachy, which is this one here. The third one is this light pink, and this one here is the only one that is a more shimmery, shiny blush, and it is like a corally pink shade. I want to try the hot pink blush. Oh yeah, that's very pink. I'm going to apply just a little bit on the other side to have the same color. Ooh, no, that's not for me. Let's see if we can blend it. Okay, yeah, it doesn't look bad. Okay, that looks nice. I want to take this light peachy color. This brush is not working for my bone structure. I'm going to take a smaller one. I'm taking Santa's Little Helper, and The blushes are very pretty. I also want to use some on my nose. Let's take a little bit of the pink one. Okay, so the blushes are super pretty. I think that this is my favorite product for this video. I like that we have a darker shade for darker skin tones. This one here, you can mix it with all the other shades to make a shimmery blush. We also have a golden and a pinkish highlighter. I think I shouldn't buy the golden one. It looks a little bit darker for me. The packaging is super pretty. It is a little bit bulky, but I like it. And we have these cute eyes of the ghost, and oops, okay, all is good. With each highlighter we get 7 grams of product, and these are baked highlighters. This one is in the shade Ready, and the other one is Game Over. Why? I'm ready for the Ready shade. I'm taking some with brush E40 by Sigma. Oops, I took a lot. Ooh, that's pretty! That's intense. It's super nice. I wish that we had this type of sheen in the eyeshadow palette. Why not? This is how it looks. Let's see the swatches because I'm a little bit afraid to use the golden shade on me. Oh, so pretty. I'm taking Game Over. It is going to be game over if I use it on me. Oh, that's very gold. It's not going to work for me. It has a super beautiful sheen. It's going to look fabulous on medium to darker skin tones. And I also want to use a little bit of this on my eyelid. I'm going to take a little bit of the golden highlighter to use it on my eyes. Very nice highlighters. We also have this color changing lip balm. It becomes from green to pink. This one has a little ghost on the cap. It's super pretty. This one is called Blinky, and it is this very neon bright green lip balm. First of all, I'm going to remove what I have now on my lips. Oh, it smells like bubble gum. It is very shiny. Nice. It doesn't say anything on the packaging, but it gives a very light tingling feeling to the lips. Now it is fading. It's not sticky, it is glossy on the lips. I like that. And I have a smooth layer of color on my lips. On me it is a little bit purpley, not pinkish, but it's okay. It's very comfortable on the lips. If you're looking for a new lip balm, you can try this one that has the cute packaging as well. Ding ding ding. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite product of this collection. I think mine is the blush palette. I also liked a lot the lip balm. It is very comfortable on the lips. I'm reviewing a lot of Essence products. You can watch here the last limited edition collection that they have. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!